بدل یو ورډ spelling ویم اور هغه به ماته د هغې ورډ meaning or examples براکوي. So who will come first?
Miss I.
Come. Sit here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, students, let's start. You will also repeat with me. W R I T E. What is this word?
Right?
Oh, great. And tell me the meaning of right.
Lickle.
And also example.
My friend write letter.
Good. Okay, let's move to the next word. P L A Y. What is the word?
Play.
Good job. And its meaning?
Lobby cowl.
Great. And example?
I play cricket.
Good job. And let's move to the last word. T E A C H E R. What is the word?
Excuse me, ma'am. Once again.
Okay. T E A C H E R. What is the word?
Teacher.
And what is its meaning?
Ustad.
Great. And example?
Sir Hikmat is my teacher.
Good. Clapping for others. Thank you. You can go, please. Now from boys, who will come? Come, please. Sit down, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, students, repeat with me.
Okay, ma'am. Intelligent.
What is the meaning?
Like.
Great. And example?
I am intelligent.
Good. S I M P L E. What is the word?
Simple.
Meaning?
Sada.
An example?
English is a simple language.
Good. Now the last word. P R E D Y. What is the word?
Pretty.
Good. And meaning?
Khista.
Great. And example?
Sir Hikmat is a pretty person.
Good. Clapping